Hi guys, in this video ay tuturuan ko kayo ng another shortcut, no? Yung math shortcut natin at yung ating mga uh, mental math computations ay isa sa mga bagong series dito sa Sipnayan, no? So in this video, pag-uusapan natin yung squaring a number ending in 5, no? So this is quite popular, no? And hopefully marami na sa inyo nakakaalam, but for those who do not know, this is a very very handy shortcut, no? So, ano ginagawa natin pag nag-multiply tayo ng number, no? Ending in 5, no? Kasi ini-square natin siya, for example, 35 times 35. Okay? So, may long cut yan, syempre, yung the usual multiplication. Pero dito, bibigyan ko kayo ng shortcut. So, ang gagawin lang natin is, dadagdagan natin yung digit nito ng isa, magiging 4. And then we multiply 4 times 3. This is 12. No? Tapos i-append lang natin yung 25. 5 times 5 is 25. Okay? So, pwede natin i-check. We have 35 times 35. This is 25 carry 2. This is 5 times 3, 15 plus 2, 17. 3 times 5 is 15 carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9, 10. So this is 5, this is 2, carry 1, this is 2, this is 1. So this is plus. Okay, check, diba? Tingnan natin ulit kung mag-work yan using another number. Again, this is squaring number ending in 5, diba? So 65 times 65. So what do? We add 1 here, magiging 7. And then 6 times 2, so 6 times 7, sorry, is 42. And then append 5. So 4,225, no? So again, 65 times 65. We can check, no? Pwede natin i-check. This is 65 times 65. This is 25, carry 2. 5 times 6 is 30. This is 32. 6 times 5 is 30, carry 3. 6 times 6 is 36, 39. So, 5, 2, 2, carry 1, 4. So, again, check pa rin tayo. Alright, one more example. Maybe two more. What is 75 times 75? Okay. So, again, we dagdagan natin ng isa 8. 7 times 8 is 56, and then we append 25. So, every time, i-append lang natin yung 25. No? So, consistent yan yung 25 dito. So, gusto nyo pang i-check, you can check using your calculator and you will see that this is actually correct. No? So, again, this shortcut only works when you are squaring numbers ending in 5. Now, for the last example, we have 45 times 45. 45 times 45. This is, we add 1 here, we have 5. And then 4 times 5 is 20, and then we add 25. So, 2025. Let's check for the last time. 5 times 5 is 25, carry 2. 5 times 4 is 20, 22. 4 times 5 is 20, carry 2. 4 times 4 is 16, 18. So this is 25. 10, carry 1, 20. So 2025 or 2025, no? Okay, yan lang yung ating tutorial. Maiksi lang siya, no? And siguro assignment yun na lang kung na-discover kung paano siya nag-work. No? This is a very simple exercise. No? Hindi ko na siguro i-explain pa sa inyo why the shortcut works. No? Okay, that's it. Sana may natutunan kayo dito sa video na to and hopefully ay marami kayo natutunan dito sa Sipnayan. No? Gusto ko invite na mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, youtube.com/user/sipnayanph and our website, sipnayan.com. See you!